Yeah?
Oh, a double-bladed Chop Chop.
Awesome.
I really wanted this one.
Do you want to open one, Jason?
Yeah, this one, the big one.
Okay. Go ahead and open that.
I can help you.
I don't need you.
Here's another one that shapes like a Skylander swap force thing. Why I took the antlers off is because they were falling off. Hey! They keep falling off on me. Oh, this is what I also really wanted.
What is it?
It's light core. It's a light core character. Smolder Dash. Light core Smolder Dash.
Awesome.
Series 3 Chop Chop.
What do you think?
So the one that, so the Chop Chop that has 2 swords is Series 3. Oh yeah.
Oh yeah, I want this. This kind of looks like my picnic. This kind of looks like my picnic.
It looks like your picnic?
A 3-pack.
Oh my goodness, look at all that.
A 3-pack.
A 3-pack?
A 3-pack that has one of my very favorite ones. It has Series 3.
That's a sandwich.
Series 2.
That sandwich is really good.
Bosses. I really wanted this too.
See that sandwich right there?
Oh, yeah.
Wow, you got a sandwich?
Yeah, and the other thing.
That's a lot of food.
A lot of these, the ones I wrote,
And we also need a grocery
the ones I've already opened are from Santa to
Oh, a grocery cart.
Skylanders Swamp
And
Force.
also a
I really wanted him too.
Oh, there's a
That's all
grocery
cart.
cart. Here's a
I
grocery
didn't get the
cart.
game yet.
Oh, you didn't get the game?
Not
There's a
yet.
grocery
There
cart.
might be another one from Santa.
I
that
found a
has to be-
grocery cart. Right here. See that grocery cart?
Yeah, you got a grocery cart.
Yeah.
Wow.
I haven't got the game yet. But I'm gonna hope I just get it.
What do you think this stuff is?
Lego Chima!
I'll have to come take a look. Lego
I really
Chima?
wanted this kind.
These are oranges.
Thank you, Mommy.
Merry Christmas. I love you.
These are oranges.
All
Those
of
are
these
oranges?
things I really